In this Argos support video, we will show you how to clean, maintain and store your hedge trimmer safely. These steps will help ensure safe operation, maintain cutting performance and prolong the life of your product. Firstly, switch the hedge trimmer off. Remove the battery and disconnect it from the power supply. Then allow it to cool down fully before starting any maintenance. Next, put on protective gloves. Always use appropriate tools when working near the blades, and never use your bare hands. Begin by inspecting the hedge trimmer for any worn or damaged parts. Do not operate the product if any components appear broken or excessively worn. Now, clean the hedge trimmer using a damp cloth and pH-neutral soap. Use a brush to reach tighter areas where debris may collect. Pay particular attention to the air vents, ensuring they are clear of dust and debris after every use. Avoid using chemical, alkaline or abrasive cleaning agents, as these may damage the product. Next, ensure the blades are clean and free from cuttings and debris. Apply a small amount of oil along the blades to maintain smooth operation and effective cutting performance. To distribute the lubricant around the blade, you may need to switch the hedge trimmer back on and run it for a short time. Finally, power off and use a clean cloth to remove any excess buildup of oil, leaving a light, even coating across the blades. Once cleaning is complete, prepare the hedge trimmer for storage. Attach the blade sheath to protect the cutting edge. Store the product and its accessories in a dry, frost-free location and ensure it is kept out of reach of children. Always carry it using the designated handles or gripping points. Following these steps will help keep your hedge trimmer operating safely and efficiently. For further support, please visit argos-support.co.uk.